To submit documents to Venmo for account approval, follow these straightforward steps to ensure your submission is successful. This process will help you provide the necessary information for verification. Step 1. Access your Venmo account. Log into your Venmo account using the mobile app or website. Make sure you have your account details ready to facilitate the process. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, go to the Account Settings. This is usually found in the menu section, where you can manage your profile and account information. Step 3. Find Document Submission section. Look for the section related to account verification or document submission. This may be labeled as Verify Identity or Submit Documents. Step 4. Upload required documents. Follow the prompts to upload the necessary documents. This typically includes a government-issued ID and possibly proof of address. Ensure the documents are clear and legible. Step 5. Confirm submission. After uploading your documents, review your submission for accuracy. Once confirmed, submit the documents and wait for a notification regarding your account approval status. Thank you for following these steps. You should receive updates from Venmo regarding your account approval soon.